There are times when things get to you all at once. Means you're worried and stressed about multiple stuffs happening in your life till it gets on your nerves and then you are not able to handle it. Eventually you break down to tears. Does it even happen with you that you're worried and anxious about various things happening in your life? It happened with me too. One fine Sunday, I got so worried and anxious that I just couldn't convince myself to calm myself down. I thought of taking a walk. I grabbed my phones and earphones, put on my sandals, wore my mask, and got down from my building and started taking a walk. It was raining outside, but I had forgotten to carry my umbrella. As I was walking along the main road, the noise around me was very loud, but the noise inside my head was way too louder. I walked without having a destination on my mind, took all the turns that came my way. While walking, I started praying. I said, Lord, it's too much for me to handle. I'm just not able to handle it anymore. What am I even supposed to do? So many things kept on worrying me. I said, Lord, recently I have been sick a lot of times. My health is just not right. I'm so worried about what's even happening with my body. How am I going to handle? I feel so weak all the time. When I look at the things happening around me or the things that I see, I feel, Lord, do I even have a future in this world? Where is the world even going to? There are so many things that's not happening right. Lord, there are so many needs. How are we even going to meet? Are we even going to suffice all the needs? While I continued my walk, the past played in like a movie, and I just could remember all the places where I messed up terribly in my life. Filled with guilt, I broke down to tears. With my eyes filled with tears, I said, Lord, I'm just not good enough. What am I even doing on this earth? Am I even of any good? Lord, I feel useless. Please take me. I'm worried about the future. I just don't want to face the future. I continued walking with my tears dripping down. The mask soaked it up all. I reached a corner of a street, found a bench, and sat on it. That's when I realized that I had my earphones on and there was a song playing on it. It was a gospel song. The lyrics goes as Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what Lord has done. I reflected upon the lyrics and thought to myself, okay, so let me count all the good things while I walk back home. I started to count my blessings one by one, right from my birth. I said, Lord, even in my birth, I was a premature baby. Knowing the complications of pregnancy, Lord, you made me healthy. You protected me right from my birth. Lord, thinking about the school times, I was an average kid. People around me considered me dumb, useless, and good for nothing. But I never got depressed. Jesus, you protected me from depression. I vividly remember, Lord, that school times I used to walk through a deserted road. It was literally through some forest area because it was a shortcut. There people used to come to smoke and drink. But in those days, Lord, I don't even remember a single day when someone misbehaved or something bad happening to me. So many things could have gone wrong, but Lord, you protected me all the way. In my college years, Lord, I had difficult time dealing with physics, chemistry and math. but you helped me to pass out with good marks. Lord, then came my youth years. In these years, a lot of things came together, and I felt suicidal for a few years. The pressure in my head was so strong to commit suicide that it was very difficult to resist. When I used to return back from work, I used to wait for my train. Just before that, an express superfast used to pass by. And Lord, every evening I remember the pressure in my head to take a step ahead and jump and end my life was so strong. But Jesus, your gracious hands never allowed me. Your hands held me back. Not because of my own strength, Lord, but because of your grace, I am still alive. So I kept walking, reflecting back on all the past years. And when I thought of all those things, my eyes teared up again when Jesus asked, I have never let anything bad happen to you in these many years. How will I allow something bad to happen in the future? When I heard those words, I was rest assured that the Lord who was with me so far will be with me in the future as well. Jesus calmed the storm inside of me and cured my anxious heart. Are you still worried about a lot of things and anxious about your future? Do not worry, because Jesus, a God who is still alive, omnipotent, is still listening to your anxious thoughts. The one who has led you so far will lead you ahead too. You just need to speak out to Him and He will calm you down.